Hey guys, how's it going? We are doing another competition. It is December, and we are going to be recreating Junkrat's grenade volley sound, whatever it's called. I'm pretty sure it's just called Junkrat's grenade. But yeah, we're going to be recreating that sound from Overwatch. I know that we did an Overwatch sound last month, but I wanted to do this sound in particular just because it's a little bit simpler and I think it's easier to follow. And it's December and it's Christmas time. A lot of people aren't going to have as much time since they're spending time with family and holidays and stuff like that. So this one's a little bit of an easier one just to take the load off. This sound you'll be able to hear. Because we're going to try and use a reference for this competition. I just want to see what happens when people try and recreate the sound and try and use the original sound as a reference. Because I think that it'll give opportunity to see what they could do better and compare it to an existing professional video game sound effect. So all they have to do is recreate the sound from scratch, record it from scratch with a microphone, put all of your source recordings in the link in the description of the video that you upload to YouTube. You can download all of the materials you need, which is just one video file, in the description below. And you can read more info about the competition in the description below. There's a link called blipsounds.com/competition, so you can check that out. And on top of all this, you just submit via that same link, and yeah, other than that, feel free to join the Discord channel and ask about the competition. See if you have any questions or just want to chat, share your work so far. All of that is allowed. It helps build the competitive field, and the whole goal of this is to let everyone become better at sound design. So I think it's a really valuable learning experience for everybody. And we're going to say the deadline is December 22nd. And yeah, starting today, December 3rd. Hope you all enjoy. Have a good Christmas, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the month. See ya.